Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly iconic from the golden era of American luxury, the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood, finished in a stunning silver gold shade exterior paired with a matching silver gold interior theme. This is not just a car, it's a statement from a time when automobiles were built with presence, personality, and pure road dominance. The Fleetwood name has always represented Cadillac's top-tier luxury, and the 1970 model is one of the finest examples of that legacy. Let's explore it in detail. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood is massive, elegant, and unapologetically luxurious. The silver gold shade paint gives this classic a unique personality. It's not a modern flashy metallic finish, it has a deep, warm tone that blends old-school silver elegance with a subtle golden richness. Under sunlight, it glows softly, almost like polished metal from a different era. The front end is pure Cadillac tradition. You get the long, wide grille with fine chrome detailing that stretches across the entire face of the car. The iconic Cadillac crest sits proudly in the center, acting like a badge of prestige and authority. The rectangular headlamps are neatly integrated into the design, giving it a clean yet powerful expression. The hood is long and flat, stretching forward like a runway, emphasizing the car's full-size luxury identity. There's a calm confidence in its design, it doesn't need sharp angles or aggressive styling. Instead, it relies on sheer size and chrome elegance to make its presence felt. From the side profile, the Fleetwood is absolutely majestic. The long wheelbase is immediately noticeable, and the body flows in a straight, formal line from front to rear. The silver gold paint enhances every chrome accent along the windows, door trims, and body moldings. The car almost looks like it's floating on the road with its large white-wall tires and classic Cadillac wheel covers. At the rear, the design continues with a wide, squared-off trunk and vertical tail lights that were a signature Cadillac design language of that era. Chrome detailing is used generously but tastefully, giving the back end a luxurious yet dignified finish. The overall stance is long, low, and incredibly elegant, exactly what a flagship Cadillac should be. Interior. Stepping inside the 1970 Fleetwood is like entering a completely different world. The silver gold interior theme transforms the cabin into a rolling luxury lounge. Everything inside feels grand, spacious, and crafted with comfort as the top priority. The seats are large, deeply cushioned, and upholstered in premium leather with a soft silver gold tone that matches the exterior theme beautifully. These seats are built for comfort rather than sport, designed for long highway cruises where passengers can relax in absolute ease. The dashboard is wide and beautifully symmetrical, featuring a blend of wood grain accents, chrome touches, and soft metallic finishes. The instrument cluster is simple yet elegant, with large analog dials that are easy to read and beautifully framed. In the center, you'll find classic Cadillac-style controls for climate and radio. Everything is physical, tactile, and built with durability in mind. There are no distractions, just pure driving essentials laid out in a clean and luxurious fashion. One of the standout aspects of the interior is space. The Fleetwood offers enormous legroom both in the front and rear. Rear passengers especially enjoy limousine-like comfort, with wide bench seating that allows 3 adults to sit comfortably without feeling cramped. The silver gold interior trim extends across door panels and dashboard accents, giving the cabin a unified and upscale appearance. Thick carpeting, padded armrests, and soft-touch materials throughout the cabin reinforce the luxury feel that Cadillac was famous for in this era. The overall atmosphere inside is quiet, calm, and incredibly spacious, perfect for long road trips where comfort matters more than anything else. Performance. Now let's talk about performance. The 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood is powered by a large displacement V8 engine, typically a 7.7-liter, 472 cubic inch, or available 7.0-liter V8, depending on the configuration. These engines were built for effortless cruising rather than high revving speed. Horsepower output is in the range of around 375 horsepower, but what truly matters here is torque. The Fleetwood delivers massive low-end torque, making it feel strong and smooth when accelerating from a stop. Paired with a classic automatic transmission, the driving experience is all about smoothness. Gear changes are soft and relaxed, perfectly matching the car's luxury personality. Acceleration is not sporty by modern standards, but it feels confident and powerful for a full-size luxury sedan of its time. The real strength of the Fleetwood is highway cruising. It can glide effortlessly at high speeds with minimal strain. The suspension is soft and comfort-oriented, soaking up road imperfections with ease. This is a car designed to float over bumps rather than feel them. Combined with its long wheelbase, the ride quality is exceptionally smooth. Steering is light and relaxed, making the car easy to drive despite its large size. Parking and tight maneuvers require attention, but on open roads, the Fleetwood feels incredibly stable and composed. Driving the 1970 Fleetwood is less about speed and more about presence and comfort. It gives you a sense of authority on the road, like you're commanding space wherever you go. The engine hum is deep and smooth, never harsh or aggressive. The cabin remains calm even at higher speeds, and the suspension isolates passengers from road imperfections almost completely. It's the kind of car where you don't rush, you cruise. Every drive feels relaxed, refined, and enjoyable in a different way compared to modern performance sedans. Price and value. Back in 1970, the Cadillac Fleetwood was one of the most expensive American luxury sedans, positioned at the very top of Cadillac's lineup. Today, its value in the classic car market depends heavily on condition, originality, and restoration quality. Well-maintained or restored examples can command strong collector interest because this generation represents the peak of traditional American luxury design. For enthusiasts, it's not just about price. It's about owning a piece of automotive history that represents an era when luxury meant size, chrome, and comfort above all else. So overall, the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood in this beautiful silver-gold combination is a true symbol of classic American luxury. It's bold without being aggressive, elegant without being minimal, and luxurious without trying to be modern. The exterior design is timeless, the interior is spacious and comforting, and the driving experience is smooth and relaxing in every sense. It's a car that doesn't chase performance numbers, it delivers presence, prestige, and pure cruising comfort. If you're someone who appreciates classic luxury cars, the Fleetwood stands as one of the finest examples of Cadillac's golden era. It's not just transportation, it's an experience, a lifestyle, and a piece of history on wheels. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more classic and luxury car breakdowns. And let me know in the comments, would you take this 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood for a long highway cruise today? See you in the next one.